Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set goals for your kids' education with digits. Planning for your child's education can feel overwhelming, but Digit helps to simplify the process by allowing you to create a dedicated savings goals specifically for that purpose. Here's how to get started. First thing you got to do is open the Digit app. So launch the app and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, go to the Goals tab. Tap the Goals section from your dashboard to view or create savings goals. Now you're going to tap on Create New Goal, or you can tap on the plus icon. Next, enter a name like college funds or education savings for whatever your child's name is for easy tracking. Next, you're going to set a target amount and deadline. So just go ahead and decide exactly how much you want to save and by when. Next thing you got to do is to select your linked bank accounts, or you can just let Digit pull funds automatically using its smart algorithm. Once that's done, you can also let Digit to calculate what you can afford to save, based on your spending habits, or you can just set custom recurring deposits. Next, track progress over time. So you can go ahead and monitor the goals growth in the Goals tab. You can always pause, edit, or boost savings anytime. Digit's automation makes savings for your kids' education effortless and consistent, setting up your family for a brighter future. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked this. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.